Hello everyone! Welcome to our video about the birthday cake. Today we're going to make a raw chocolate and fruits and nuts, better to say, raw birthday cake for our son who is turning 9 months old tomorrow. So today we're gonna make a cake. So it will have nuts, fruits and some like different ingredients in it, a little bit of sweeteners. And so with the nuts we're going to be starting with like almonds, walnuts, then we have pine nuts, hazelnuts, then lots of pine nuts, the Brazil nuts is also 5 nuts we've got. We'll use them in different proportions today. We're going to mix up different amounts. So first thing to do is to load up the blender with dry ingredients. We will start, I'll do it by the cup today before we did it just by hand, so you can have a better idea. So approximately like, maybe, let's say 1 cup of walnuts, so it's more measured, so we can then get a better idea of the recipe. So then, about like almost 2 cups of almonds. Then we will put a little bit of Brazil nuts, don't put too many, just maybe like a third of a cup of this, just like that, this quarter of a cup of Brazil nuts. Then pine nuts, almost like half a cup, I guess, yeah. A little bit more pine nuts here, almost half a cup of pine nuts, like that, so it will be big nut mix. And I think about half a cup of hazelnuts. Yeah, like that. So it's got about half a cup roughly. That way, then we've got our seeds. It's a full mix with lots of things. So we've got, let's put half a cup of pepitas there, and half a cup of sunflower seeds. Yep, those ones. So today we just found what we had in the, in the country basically. Mostly like we like to use organic ingredients, but today we use not organic as well. So let's see. Half a cup of sunflower seeds as well. So that's our dry stuff goes in. Then of course it's a chocolate cake. So we never forget our cacao. So I'll put about, I think last time I put about 5 to 6 tablespoons per layer. So this will be probably like 1 layer in that shape. We will do 2 layers, and in the middle we'll put some fruits. You'll see it later. So 1, see, full big tablespoons. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Let's make it very chocolatey. Okay, so 7 tablespoons of the cacao powder. Now, I really like to use a little bit of mesquite powder today. It's a great sweetener, it takes a little nice flavor there. So I'll put just like 1 tablespoon of mesquite powder. And also I wanted to use a little bit of cinnamon. I forgot to prepare it here, so we've got organic cinnamon there, the whole box or whole container. Yeah, so just you don't put too much cinnamon, like just like a hint, this much, maybe like a quarter of a tablespoon or third, and that's up to your taste. It adds a little bit of taste to it. So this will be our dried ingredients and a little bit of coconut flakes. I really like to have kept coconut, so it adds a good flavor as well. A little bit of crunchiness. So just a couple of tablespoons of coconut, like shredded flakes. Plus, so nice. So yeah, the coconut is amazing. Okay, so let's put like 3 tablespoons of coconut shreds, and then I will process it, I think. So this will be all our dry ingredients for now.
Dry ingredients first.
Yep. Then I'll install that on there. So, ready to go, let's see. That's better. Okay, so it's quite fine. Now, you can make it a bit more crunchy, a bit less crunchy, but we like it like a little bit crunchy, but quite fine as well. So it's like a, flour sort of. It's like that with a little bit of crunchiness, so it's got its texture there. So now, what I'm thinking, it's not too much. I think no, it's not too much. It's quite good actually. Yeah. So we will be putting now placing there some of the moist ingredients. So we've got just leftovers of some sultanas there, or raisins. You can put it there. Let's add some raisins. A little bit. We'll do half-half. Let's do half-half for the other half. Yep. Then we put dates there. Sometimes we have like dried apples also stuff like that. So those are good pitted dates. Let's make sure they're pitted. Yep. Yeah, they're pitted dates. So we put like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
With seeds, maybe a little bit, because maybe it will be
13, 14, 15, yes. Make sure they're pitted dates. I think even more, let's put 20 dates because they're very small, like kind of not very big, so that's 17, 19, 19. Okay, 20 dates, that's it. Then we put adding some bananas there to make it all stick together as well nicely. So I'll just chop some banana up like that. Smaller pieces, it will make it creamy and very like, you know, sweet and just really like adds nice texture. So I'll put like that, add 2 bananas there, like that. There. So then we will add a little bit of I'm thinking to add a little bit of maple syrup. I've prepared it, so we usually add maple syrup. You don't have to, you can put a little bit more fruit, but we love the maple syrup, so I'll add a bit. Maybe a couple of, just like a few tablespoons, like 1, 2. So it can be all measured today. Otherwise, always we did it like just by hand. I know I do it by eye, so let's put like 4 tablespoons of maple syrup there. Yep. And that one there. So now we will add some acai with guarana as well. We've got like big bucket of acai. It's like a frozen acai and guarana mix, acai pulp. So we'll add it from the freezer. It's amazing actually. It's like an ice cream kind of thing, but it's a Brazilian, you know, it's a Brazilian traditional ice cream sort of thing there. So it's like that. So it's like a frozen, you know, puree. So acai pulp with guarana. We will add just a couple of tablespoons. A bit more maybe, yeah. It's like this kind of thick consistency. It makes it taste really great. So maybe like 4 tablespoons like that. Yeah, like that. So not too much. For each layer we will add that much. And we'll put it back in the freezer. Okay, then we will blend it with our moist ingredients. Well, you see, that's very good today. Look, it becomes like a kind of donut consistency there, see? It curled in on itself, so it's very nice and very moist. That's what we were looking for, actually, to achieve. So, see? It's like that. Wow, that's perfect today. So we have to write down the recipe. See, like that? It's like a thick kind of paste. Then we will just place it into the cake form. This is the bottom layer. Like that, yep. Tastes like smells delicious.
You can make balls in this.
You can just make a ball from it, yeah. Just roll it up and it's already like a nice snack.
Healthy snacks.
Yep. I want to try it, you know. You want to try? Very chocolatey. Amazing stuff. Okay, that's the bottom layer goes in.
Next,
Now,
the same.
for the middle layer, yeah, so basically you make it like that, like flat them, flatten it up, like this, make it more straight. Doesn't really matter, you can make it more wavy, so to speak, up to you. So yeah, like that, and then.
Oh, it's already done.
Good
Only
job,
water
guys.
when it's like when you put it in the fridge.
It needs to be, yeah, in the freezer overnight, because then it will set and make it, you know, get a nice texture. So yeah, that's your layer there. So now, for the middle layer, I want to make it with some papaya we've got right here, like that. So we will just slice some papaya and just put it in the middle between the layers, and some cacao nibs. I want to make it a bit crunchy with papaya there. I never used papaya before for this kind of raw cakes, but this papaya we just cut it, opened it yesterday. We tried it yesterday and it was so yummy, really like so sweet, and I thought, yeah, I have to use this one for the cake's middle layer, like in the middle. Yep, like that.
Make sure to remove the seeds.
Yeah, definitely. Okay, so you just basically slice your papaya. It's like a melon. You can use any fruits in the middle, just make it taste to whatever you want to taste like. So basically, yeah, I'll chop it up like this. I'll cut the skin like that, yeah. And just chop it up into small pieces like that on the, yeah, let's do that one.
That's it.
Let's do a batch here, then I'll chop sharp. I'm not very good at cutting papaya, definitely, but I'm learning. I'm trying. Okay, something like that. Yep, that way. 2 more pieces.
You like to eat it?
Yeah, I really love to do that. I just ate a couple of pieces before we started actually. It's so
We have
nice
lots
and
here in
sweet.
Philippines like this.
Yep, so this one goes in. Like that, chop it up, and I'd like to add another. Let's see actually how much we get there. If it's like too thin, we can add some bananas in the middle as well. I think it'll be enough. Yeah?
Yeah, that's enough.
Okay, there. Oops. And we'll add papayas there. Just like chop it up a bit more. Like that, yep. It can be like a bit bigger pieces. It's okay? No bananas,
that's
yeah? No, that's fine, yeah. All good there. So, basically, you add that papaya like that, spread it evenly around. This is where the top layer will go from, like on top of here. Yeah, so we usually add some berries. You can add any berries, any fruits here, you know.
But today
Something sweet, but today.
it's special because we have papaya.
But there, we just usually add whatever we have in the household, which is raw and nice and a little bit sweet as well. Okay, so papaya with cacao nibs there. I really like to add some cacao nibs, so I get some more tablespoons. Clean ones because our dry ones are running out. So just sprinkle your cacao nibs on top like that. So 1 tablespoon, maybe 2. And maybe 3 tablespoons, that's fine. There, like that. Yep, that's how it looks. That's what it is, yep. So it looks like that, see? That's your middle layer. By the way, if you wanted to have small cake, that's your cake already done. Just freeze it overnight and then just cut it up, slice it up, and then you have a small 1-layer cake. But we want to make it bigger today. So we will repeat the process for the second layer same way as we did with the first layer. So we go with 1 cup of almonds again. I'll make it a bit more full this time. So we make a big first layer. So almonds going, walnuts going. No, let's put more, come on. So yeah, let's put like a, let's say, heat cup with a little bit more because I want to make that layer a little bit higher on top. So then we'll put in like maybe like half a cup of Brazil nuts. Not this much, like a little bit less than half a cup. So yeah, Brazil nuts, then hazelnuts. We'll just use whatever is there in the pack. That has like 150 grams of there, so we will add like half a cup of Brazil nuts there. Nice mix. Then, oh, that's it. Oh yeah, that was the pepitas actually. We have just a little bit of pepitas there. Then pine nuts. I'll add maybe just like 2/3 of a cup of pine nuts there again. There. Then also maybe 2/3 of a cup of sunflowers. And then yeah, that's it. A little bit more than half this time because I want to make it a bit thicker on the top. And look, you've got a mix of things, many things. That's what I like usually because you know it gives you huge like amount of different nutrients, minerals, vitamins, like fatty acids, all the different nuts. They have different things. Oh, just leave that one. Okay, so this will give you great protein, great fats, great things like vitamins and minerals and everything like in big balance. Not like usually we used to do like just 2 nuts, but now we experimented and we found that using more nuts and seeds mixes is actually much better. Okay, for the top layer also I'll be adding a little bit of golden flax meal, flaxseed fine meal like that. So just to make it stick together and give it a bit more flavor and a bit more nutritious profile, and like a bit more like a medium, you know, trees and all the good fatty acids there. So I'll add maybe 3 tablespoons of that flaxseed meal. And then, so for a little bit of coconut as well and cacao powder as well. And then we'll add some cinnamon also. And mesquite. I want to add a bit more mesquite. So coconut we will add maybe like, let's add a bit more. So 5 tablespoons of coconut already, lots of coconut there. Maybe coconut on top layer. There. Okay, then cacao. Oh, we've got also cacao butter. We will add that as well. Actually, I forgot about it because for the top layer we will use that. So we will add another maybe 5 tablespoons for the top layer of cacao powder. There like that. 3, 4, and 5.
Oh, that's nice.
Okay. Yeah, that's enough. Yeah, that's good. And then a little bit of mesquite powder, like this one, mesquite. That like maybe 2 tablespoons is good. Great flavor. I love the mesquite. It's like it's got like a kind of sugary, burnt sugar taste. It's amazing actually. Great sugar replacement, but not exactly sugar replacement, but close to it. So a little bit of cinnamon, just like a hint, maybe 1/3 of tablespoon. Not too much, unless it can overpower the flavor. Okay, I think that's all for the dried ingredients. Yeah.
Blend it.
No more dried. So we're gonna blend it. Maybe make it a bit more coarse, so a bit more larger chunks in it. Let's see. Make it a bit larger, is it? How is it?
Yeah, that's it.
This is crunchy. Let's make it crunchy, do you think? Maybe too crunchy.
Sige, last na.
Maybe a little bit more because look, see? It's still a little bit, like I'll show you. A little bit too much crunch, I think maybe. Okay, so we'll blend a bit more. There. Otherwise, a little bit too crunchy. You can make it very crunchy, up to you. Okay. Okay, that's right. Yeah, that's very good and fine now. See, you've got about this kind of consistency. There's a little bit of chunks and bits and pieces, still crunchy, but not too much, okay? Now, we're going to add our moist ingredients. So we will just finish our sultanas or raisins, whatever they are after that. So, sultanas, yep. So that's like moist there. Yep, 7 days, another, let's see, 20 days. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9,
Banana.
10, 11, yep, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. I like the days. 21, 22, 23 days. Okay, let's do a bit more days. Okay, then a little bit of banana. Like actually 2 bananas. There, chop them up. There, another one, yep. 2 bananas is good. It's like it makes it really moist. Because usually I've watched a lot of like recipes and people don't add bananas to the raw cakes like this way. They usually add it on top or somewhere, but if you add it in the middle, it makes it really creamy and moist, the layers, like more moist, and it sticks together much better. It becomes like a moist, like kind of consistency, and really holds together better, we found. Okay, then we will add some lemon juice for the top layer. Yep, we will add that.
Because I said banana makes you happy.
Yeah, plus banana makes you happy. It's got tryptophan, it's got good stuff in it, like nice sugars, nice carbs, great stuff here for you. Okay, then you squeeze lemon there. We will squeeze whole lemon there. Usually we squeeze like half and half, but we will make top layer a bit more lemony like. So lemon goes in. There, half of it. And another half. Wow, it doesn't have seeds. Usually you watch out that you don't put your seeds there. So lemon, second half of lemon goes in. There like that. There, squeeze it. Wow, it's nice. It will be really like savory flavor. Very nice. Great. So, shall we add some maple syrup? Shall we? Whoops. Maple syrup is flying everywhere. Okay, so we will add some maple syrup. I just love it. The smell of it is so yummy. Like, it's really nice.
Than that. What's that? Honey.
Better than honey, definitely. Yeah, we don't use honey that much.
Yeah,
Actually, we don't use honey. Yeah. So maple syrup there. 1 tablespoon. Let's do like add 5 tablespoons. So it's all measured. 3, 4, and 5 tablespoons of maple syrup. This is real maple syrup, like Canadian organic, and it says something. Anyway, yeah, made in Canada. I think it said like grade, whatever grade it had, like grade A or something really nice on the real one. Okay, so that's the maple syrup gone in. And we will add some cacao butter to the top layer as well. We have quite a bit of cacao butter left, so we have to use it. We've got 1 chunk there, like that, so we'll chop it up. I'll move the cake here for now. That's like chop it up. It just has nice flavor as well, nice texture.
It's like a stem.
I love it.
More like cacao.
Sometimes
Cacao
you.
butter.
Cacao butter, yeah.
It's like answer?
It's like a chocolate.
Oh, white chocolate.
They make white chocolate creamies as well. Like that, you just make it fine like that. Yeah.
Be careful with it.
Again, I'm not the best at it at doing this, but something like that. You get the idea.
How many you want to cut?
Maybe 1, 2, maybe 2. 2 pieces of it. Oops. Like that.
Okay, for this one. No, that's it. That's it. Don't come because it will be rolling and it will be.
So good. Now we will make a big chunk. Okay, like that. If someone gets a chunk of cacao butter, I hope they will excuse us. Yeah, that.
Okay.
Oops. Good.
They're flying.
No, but what's the flower today? It's flying butter. Flying cacao butter, new recipe, yeah? Special ingredient. How to make flying cakes. Okay, a little bit of cacao butter like that. Oops. That goes there. Yep, that way. And then
That's
I think we are ready to blend. Let's see. Oh yes, we will add some acai as well with guarana, the pulp. Acai pulp. Yeah. So
It's less now.
yeah, we got less now. They love it. It's like we mix it with ice cream. So it's like 50% acai, just pure frozen acai. And then about I think 25% of guarana. Also like
Don't put too much.
guarana pulp. So 3, maybe like 4 tablespoons, yeah. As you can see, we really like our acai. Yeah, I'm just really addicted to acai. Actually, I use acai like every day. It makes me feel amazing. Like whole idea also behind like these cakes and this kind of cooking, like raw cooking, it makes you feel amazing. Yep, we've added our acai paste. Yeah, as I was saying, acai is just an unbelievable berry. I'll make a special video just about acai as well. Just it deserves it, you know, it's like unbelievable thing. It makes me feel so great, and yeah, in cake it works as well. Like it makes, you know, the taste a bit different, and it just gets lots of antioxidants and makes it really, really good and, you know, yummy. Okay, good luck to us. Let's go. Yep, so you do it until it stops, then you mix it up a bit. I think it looks amazing already. Wow, it's actually fantastic top layer there. See, it's very moist. I love it. Yep, that's already done. Look, see? Because the trick to it is to first blend your dry ingredients into the powder so it doesn't get stuck. It used to be stuck when we did it first, so then we learned our lesson. See? We got this kind of consistency. This is amazing stuff. You can just make bars or balls, just roll them up. No, wait, there's a rolling for what. So roll them up and put it in any shape you like, and just put it in the fridge or freezer and just have them. It's like such a great thing. And yeah, as I was saying before, all and you can see what we're adding to the cake. It's all just natural ingredients, all raw and all as nature intended, and not heated, not like over processed at all. So it's really great. And just, I don't know, I compare this cake, the way it makes me feel, to any other cake, and this by far is the winner. And yes, it's sweet, but all the sweetness comes from mostly fruit, a little bit of maple syrup. You don't have to add it if you don't like it, but you want to make it a little sweeter. So yeah, you let us know what you think. And this cake has got lots of proteins, various different proteins from all the nuts and seeds we added. You can see we added like 5 nuts to it. I think 5, yeah. Almonds, walnuts, pine nuts, hazelnuts, Brazil nuts, then sunflower seeds, yeah, and then pepita, so pumpkin seeds. Wow, our cat Min Min is here. She wants to help us. Min Min, how are you doing? I will finish with this and then we will show you our Min Min as well. So yeah, so you get like full profile of natural, you know, proteins, fatty acids, like all the nuts, just mix it together. You eat a couple of these nuts every day, you will see what I mean, just makes it feel unbelievable. And I'm addicted to nuts, seeds. Being vegan for many years now, I just can swear by it. It makes me feel unbelievable. Like every day of my life, you know, it's such a natural thing. I like to soak the nuts as well, but today we didn't soak them because I just decided to make this cake since when I was driving back from work. So yeah, we didn't pre-soak the nuts, but you can pre-soak them. It's not necessary, but if you place them in the freezer, when they freeze them, they will mix with other moist ingredients, so they will little bit kind of activate just because they're in contact with the moisture there. So yeah, that's what I see. You got that like that. And then, yep, and that way. Well, just make it straight like that. As straight as you like. Doesn't have to be perfect, but
Doesn't need to be perfect.
yeah, I like it like this way. So then for the top, on the topping, I'd like to add some banana on top and pine nut. Let's add some pine nuts and banana, okay? And maybe some coconut also. Okay, so pine nuts, yeah? Okay, so we'll just sprinkle it with pine nuts a bit. Just like that. Yeah, pine nuts and lemon nuts. You know, that marvel of the forests. Like that, some pine nuts there. Oh, you use them all, yeah. And that's right. Should we add bananas?
No, that's
No bananas?
no bananas.
No, a little bit of coconut. That's fine.
A little bit of bananas or
That's a good part of the bananas. Okay, then we will add some. I'll get one more dry tablespoon. Yep, so we'll add some just coconut flakes. There, just sprinkle them around. Makes it look nice and small, I like it. They have like all the desiccated, finely shredded coconut, but this one is like more coarse. Like there.
ready
Ah,
for
good
it.
fine bits at the bottom there. Yep.
Ready for tomorrow.
Yep. Almost ready now. I hope Eli will be happy. Eli is sleeping with my mom now, with his grandma. Eli is our boy who is turning 9 months tomorrow. So this is the whole idea is to make a cake for him. Yeah, time goes really fast. So he's already 9 months. Got first teeth coming out. 2 teeth he's got left at the bottom. Yes, so funny actually, good kid. But tomorrow we'll show you, you know, like what we got when we will, you know, cut this cake, take it from the freezer. So this cake will go in the freezer. So now see what I'm doing? I'm just pressing a little bit the coconut shreds into it, but look, it doesn't have to stick. You can put like finely shredded coconut and without pine nuts, but we like it like that. So when you slice it, it will fall like into your plate, but it's so yummy. So yeah, the whole idea of this cake is to use natural ingredients and use stuff that's good for you, all raw, unprocessed, and you know, just the most healthy cake. I think I'm just like addicted to this kinds of cakes. We do them, make them regularly for everyone's birthdays, for occasions. Yeah. Actually, I forgot to show you in a minute. So yeah, just I'll show you what will happen to this cake. So it will go into the freezer overnight, and then tomorrow morning we will take it out and show you our final result once we open it and slice it for the birthday celebration. And yes, so hope you like this one. If you do, like and subscribe. We'll be back with many more videos very soon.
Subscribe.
And yeah, definitely subscribe if you like. So yeah, whole idea of this channel is to, you know, bring you as many vegan and natural as raw as possible recipes that are good for you and make you feel good. That's the first thing. So make you feel better, and they're good for you and healthy, and they're based on many researched and science backed superfoods. You can see here it's packed with good stuff, like good proteins, as I said before. I want to repeat again, like minerals, all the vitamins, all the things that nature has given you. Just mix it up together and throw it into the nice cake like that, and it's unbelievable. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. Actually, we'll be back with a little final result, but for now this will be all. Like and subscribe again, and we'll be back with more soon. Bye bye. Okay, the cake is out of the freezer, and that's the birthday boy. So we take this cake form off, and that's what it looks like. And birthday boy is ready to enjoy it, yeah, Leia?
Voila.
So that's our papaya cake. Wow, that's so nice. Leia, you like your cake, yeah? Okay, so that's what it looks like. I'll do some close-up photos. Oh no, don't. Wow, he likes it. Which he will not eat coconut. No, don't do like that. Wika. Move him. Wow, Eli is already enjoying the cake. Okay. So yeah, that's what the cake looks like. It's very nice.
He wants to hold it and go, oh, his cake.
I know, he wants to enjoy it. See, and then see all the papayas in the middle? And it just looks so beautiful, so like moist and juicy. We took it out of the freezer for about an hour. And see, Laya really wants to enjoy it. Yeah, there. There.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Elia. Big guy, wow.
He said yes.
Okay, we will make the candle. That's the cake. It's out the freezer, looks so beautiful. So yummy. See? There. Yeah, we can't wait till we enjoy it and cut it out. Yep. And here's the birthday boy. That's it, he's already happy, ready to enjoy the cake, yeah?
11 minutes later.
Okay. There.
Maybe hope he's not hurt when I go on him.
No, make it like that. And show the pieces, make pictures.
Sige, te.
Last one.
Sleepy now. You gonna eat it? I open it.
Look, this is our minion. She was helping us with cake as well. She's very impatient to help us. See? So, the cake is done, Minion is happy, everyone is happy. Bye bye.